Hello, myself Arkedeep. I recently completed the data analytics course on 30 days coding, and I have got to say it was awesome. The way course was structured made everything feel super manageable, even when tackling with more advanced topics. It started with basics like which helped me feel comfortable right away, and then moved into areas like working with libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib, creating visualizations and analyzing real-world datasets. What I loved most was how hands-on everything was. Every module had practical objects with guides which we could follow. Also, it made the learning feel so more meaningful. By the end, I had worthy projects to show off. The support through the course was great too. The instructors were always there to answer questions, and the community of learners was super encouraging. It felt like I was a part of team, even though it was all online. If you're thinking about diving into data analytics, I can't recommend this course enough. It gave me the skills and confidence I needed to take my data journey to the next level. Thanks, 30 days coding. You guys nailed it.